Hello, welcome guys to my Derico tutorial channel. In this section we will create an algorithm that calculates and summing all digits of a number. Let's create on our solution. Let's create a new project. Add a new project. Here I choose console app and I write sum of digits from the number. Let's name like this. .NET 6. Sorry, for a reason I'm supposed to choose the .NET 6 because .NET 6 doesn't give us like a main method. So let me delete this one. Now I delete, and from here also I delete. On our solution, add a new project, choose console, paste the name of it, and then I choose 5, .NET 5. So still it exists. 1 minute. Let me check it. Now let's try. Yeah, I got it. Now let's put console read line. Now I will ask from user a number. Let's say console write the number for summing all digits. And here we will catch our number. Let's say I will not use int, I will use long. Maybe a user can enter like a very long, very big number. Say long number equal, convert to int 64, and here I will write console read line. Now let's create our method. Let's say static long sum digits from the number. So here I will get my number from parameter, and here what we'll do, we'll create a loop while number greater than 0, and I will declare a total because we will sum all our digits, and we'll sum it and assign to that total number. Let's write 0 first, and I will say, now we'll say our total plus equal. Now I will divide our number, not divide, we will say number modulus 10, because if you want to get the remaining, it says, let's put this long also, and we will say number divide Number equal number 10. And yeah, let's return total. Let's see the result, whether it's right or wrong. So you say like console write line, I will call my method, or I say total sum of digits equal I write yeah, call my method and then number. Let's try it. Let's first write 5, 5, 5, which is supposed to be 20. Ah, sorry. I have to put that because it was prime number. Let me set a startup project. Try it again. 555 is totally, because it's summing all this 5, 5, like it 5, 10, 15, 20. You can write like a long number. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And 5, 5, 20, 30. Yeah, it's working. Thanks for watching guys. If you like my channel, please subscribe. Have a good day.